Hello there. Today I'll show you how can we share file and folders in Windows 11 in easiest and quickest way. So before doing this, we need to do several things so that we don't have to face any kind of error. At first, go to Control Panel, go to Program and Features, go to Turn off Windows which are on or off, then enable this one, SMB, this one, right? It will take some time to install that feature. We need to restart our computer before apply this, but you have to do this as I am making this tutorial, so my recording will be interrupted, so that I am not restarting now. Then you need to go to the network and sharing center. I am connected via Wi-Fi. Select that to private network if you want to share file within that network, so that everything will be open. Then go to advanced network properties, go to network and internet, advanced network properties, advanced sharing. If you want to share to only those people who have your sharing password, then you can enable this option. Otherwise, you need to turn off this option. Suppose I am sharing this one. You have to decide who will have the access to read or write that file. If this is everyone, then select everyone. Share. Then click share. Go to security tab. You need to specify the permission you will give them. This is okay. Everyone. If you want to give them full access, then select full control. From this one, edit, click full control. Apply. Okay. Click the properties. Sharing it is now shared, right? So let's check my PC name. HP15SDO 30248. This is my shared folder, right? So we have successfully shared our folder to the network. Hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe my channel for more contents like this. Bye bye.